Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to dive into the microscopic world to explore the size and shapes of cells. It is a journey into the fundamental building blocks that make up every living thing on Earth. Think of a house built from bricks. In the same way, all living organisms are built from cells. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. It's not just a block, it's a tiny, busy factory that keeps you alive and moving. How small is a cell? Most cells are so tiny they are invisible to the naked eye. We measure them in micrometers, which is 1/1000th of a millimeter. We need powerful microscopes just to see the detail inside these tiny structures. Here is a common myth. Do large animals have larger cells? The answer is no. An elephant is bigger than a mouse simply because it has more cells, not bigger ones. Cell size is generally consistent across different organisms, regardless of their total body size. Cells come in extreme sizes. On one end, we have bacteria, which are the smallest cells, often less than half a micrometer. On the other end, we have the ostrich egg, a single cell that is huge, measuring several centimeters across. It is truly the giant of the cell world. Why don't all cells look like spheres? Because of form following function. A cell's shape is perfectly adapted to the job it needs to do. Just as a hammer and a screwdriver have different shapes to perform different tasks, cells change shape to perform their specific roles. Look at the red blood cell. It's shaped like a biconcave disc, sort of like a donut without the hole punched all the way through. This shape allows it to be flexible enough to squeeze through the tiniest blood vessels and provides a large surface area to carry oxygen efficiently. Nerve cells, or neurons, are the wires of your body. They are long and branched to transmit electrical impulses rapidly from your brain to your toes. Their star-like, extended shape is perfect for building a communication network across your entire body. White blood cells are like the body's soldiers. They have an irregular, amoeboid shape, which means they can change their form. This allows them to move around and squeeze through the walls of our blood vessels to hunt down and destroy invading germs. To wrap up, cells are incredibly diverse. Whether they are microscopic bacteria or a massive ostrich egg, and whether they are round like blood cells or long like nerves, every cell is perfectly designed for its mission. Cells are the building blocks that make the complexity of life possible. Thank you all for being such a fantastic audience today. As you can see, we are dedicated to empowering minds and shaping futures through quality learning. Keep looking at the world with curiosity. There is always more to discover under the microscope. See you in the next lesson.